I hope you're all doing well and had a good weekend. So over the weekend I finished off doing the stag. So we've got all of the body. Oh, I just need to cut this little bit here. And we've got the legs, and we did the hooves in the satin stitch as well. I'm not quite sure, something went wrong slightly here I think, but I think it looks fine. It gives it a bit of character on the legs. So on Saturday we watched Philippa's how-to video on doing the French knot for the antlers. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Put the thread up, then it's down like that, and then keep in hold, bring it down like that. So there's a few different colours in the antler for the stag. So I'm going to start with the lighter one, which is kind of this bottom part here of the antlers, and it's on this part of the antler too. So it's just about following the stitch chart for this one of where the colours go. So I just keep looking over to the stitch chart just to make sure that I'm doing the right colour in the right place. Halfway. It still feels very strange taking my non-needle hand through to get the needle on the other side of the linen, but I think I'm starting to get used to it now. Pull it tight. And it's definitely, my French knots are definitely neater than even when we were doing them earlier in this design, but especially from when we were doing the cuckoo. So there's only two colours. Is it two? Yeah, two colours in the antlers, but they're just in different spots. So the bottom, from looking at the chart, the bottom of the antlers, the nearest the head, are lighter. And then they go to the slightly darker brown. Oh, it's 903, so it's this one here. So I'm just going in with the second colour now. I think I've done all the bits with the lighter colour from looking at the stitch chart. So just going in with the lighter colour now. Put that into where I'd put my start stitch. I did that with the wrong hand. You can tell the difference because they're not quite as neat when put it tight. Oh, and I've lost my thread on that one. So I've got my needle threaded again. I'm just going to keep going in. I like to use the outline first and do the outline in the French knot. I'm not very good at keeping this needle on today. Wrap it over. But yeah, I like to do the outline first. Then you know kind of where you're going, and it keeps the outline quite neat then. So we're just coming to the last few French knots on the antlers. I have some slightly wonky anklers here. Stitching in straight lines doesn't seem to be my forte, but I think it adds to the character of my stag. Oh, one went right through then. Not sure how that happened. I think I might have got it going through the same hole it came up. There we go, that was the last one. So I'm just going to put a little seeding stitch in the... Oh, we can fit one on here so there's no blue line. We'll do that. Like that. So I'm just going to do a little seeding stitch in there. Like that. And that's our antlers all done. So we're nearly finished with our Jacobean stag. So tomorrow we're going to be going over doing just the final finishing off touches, like putting the bead in for the eye and some other just little bits, like finishing off, putting some stem stitch around the Leyden couch. So that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow, just finishing off our design. I'm going to go and spend the rest of today just finishing off some bits that I've missed. I need to catch up on myself, so we will have a finished design tomorrow. So I'll see you then.